Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, YouTubers. We have an exciting day, but it's going to be a long day. We are prepping the bumper and the lip and the side skirts for O-Ren because the color was just way off on the lip, so I figured why not just paint the lip and the bumper and the side skirts all together. So me and 40 are going to prep that while we're waiting for the 4-piston motor to show up for the AK-47. You are in store today for a lot of gems. You are in store today for a lot of helpful tools that you could use around the way. Now, if you want to discuss body work, I would say the key to a great paint job will be preparation, prep. So if you can prep your own car and just bring it to a body shop for them to paint it, the cost will be down more. So we've got a DA. I'll show you guys a little bit inside when we get in there, but the problem is that freaking compressor is super loud, man. So probably a lot of time-lapse stuff involved in this video, and I hate doing time-lapse because I like to get into detail. So without further ado, man, enjoy this video. It's going to be a real fun one, and hopefully we can turn the AK on today. We have nothing there. All right now. All right guys. All right guys. Yep, alright guys. Alright, so okay boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Alright guys, here we go. So we're using a 3M DA. We're gonna start off with a 220 grit. We're gonna 220 everything. The front lip, the front bumper, the side skirts, because the color is just way off. It's like a frozen white and then a championship white. So we go 220, 320, and then finish with red scuff. So we're gonna take out all these imperfections right here. All these chips, sorry about the focusing. Right there. We're gonna take all these chips out, get this bumper. See this lip right here? Bear with me. We're gonna get all these imperfections out and paint this nice and championship white so this car can be 10 out of 10. So enjoy the video. We'll time lapse a little bit. I'll set up the stand and then me and 40 will start kicking ass. Keep gunning. 40, you got something for the camera? You gonna say something?
What?
Nothing? No hi? You wanna get to work?
Yeah.
Alright, my bad. Alright boys and girls, so yeah, listen, I'm not a body man. I just know how to listen to instructions. So where I used to work at the body shop, they gave me the instructions. So you start at 220, you try to get all the clear off. So the whole entire thing about prepping is making it flat. No shine at all. If there's shine, then the paint won't stick. So 220, 320, and now we're finishing with the red scuff. So we're just going over everything with the red scuff, get the shine out, and then we'll go send it to the body shop. They're gonna primer it, they'll wet sand it again, and then they'll paint it and clear it. So this process right here is crucial. to any car. So whenever you're working on a vehicle or you're working on body stuff, this is from what I learned. Like I said, listen, not an expert. Hello, not an expert. I know, missing a mask, this, that, should have used this, should have used that. No, I'm just letting you know what I learned. No shine, take your time. Pretty good, right? Like went, like was talking, then went into working, like. What a jerk. All right, so we basically brought all the parts down to the body shop, so they're gonna start prepping all that. Waiting for the motor to come from the freight company, the 4-piston motor for the AK-47. I got Trappy here. Can you see him? Trappy's there. We're just going ahead and we are going to go and put the head on for O-Ren. So got the cylinder head, got the fresh gasket there, and we're just going to do this procedure. Enjoy it. All right, so we were going to put the motor in, and then look at this video I just got. Where we're going to put this motor together. Fuck this head gasket. We got work to do. We're going to go pick up the AK-47 motor. 4-piston. Oh yeah, buddy. I heard y'all got a big gun here. I heard y'all got a big gun here. I got a big gun here? Oh,
right
there it is. There she is. Oh yeah, let's take it home. Alright, I'm just being a motivational speaker here, boys. You guys are doing a great job.
Yeah.
Come on.
You got it. Alright,
Up,
pick it up.
up.
Yeah,
Oh my
there you
god.
go.
Man, these guys are so
Good
strong.
thing Jesus goes to the gym and shit.
These guys are so strong.
Now you can't let it move.
Outside of the way we're gonna do it. Squad. Yeah. Nice. Alright, let's get to the garage, boys. Perfect.
I feel like I'm holding a whole file.
Okay, starter. Okay, sit it in the arms. Hold on. Come up, Vic, a little bit. Come down. Okay, I'm good on my side. 40.
Yeah, go.
Go ahead. You guys are good.
Down.
You guys are good.
Go ahead.
That's it. She's on. She's on. Let's get this transmission on. You ready? You need help? Or you got it? Ah, yeah. It's only 4 gears. Perfect. Yeah, this 14 is too short. This 17 is too short. Those other ones. 17 is too short. Alright, let me try this 17. That's it. So this stand is on. Swap out the 17. This stand is on, and we'll build the entire motor from here and get it ready. Perfect. Alright, just need a 14 for the top one. 14 on my starter. Mint, done. Let's get the manifold on. That's it. Can't put the header on yet. I have to put it on the inside of the car. Yeah. I need a 10mm 12-point wrench. It should be a long one. Pause.
That one, Haki? That one?
Yeah, and the washers. It's the gear wrench ones. Yep, that rack. The 10 from there.
Okay.
Vic, what are you doing here, man? You just taking all the fan?
There's no fan on.
Turn the fan on.
40 blowing off his sneakers and you what? You want to yell at me?
Because I don't feel nothing. I see you standing there. I'm like, man, it's hot as shit in here. Right?
I got it.
That's what he do. That's the type of shit he do.
40 blowing off his sneakers and I get yelled at.
Nah, Vic does that. He does that.
I mean, I do, but still.
What you got? You need one?
That's it?
You need a setup? Yeah, that's it, 40.
Okay.
Oh my God, it's like another world in here. The AC's on. The AC's on, boys. on, guys? So same vlog. I'm sorry about some of the clips that are missing. We were just so much in the mood and just so happy that the motor got here, and we were just excited to get it together. But the motor is in. This is the following morning of the same video. I put some Rotella in it just to fire it up, some T4. So I put about 6 quarts in the AK. Gonna go with some Mocool additive into the radiator, because in heads-up racing you cannot use antifreeze, but you can add an additive with water. So I'm using distilled water, and I am adding the Mocool just to try to help me out and keep it a little bit cool. So yeah, I'm just gonna do some buttoning up now, and that's it. Yeah, so I just, you know, just one of these guys will do it. I'm running the FCS with the AN fitting on the end. It's a -12. I should have did -16, but it's fine. It works for all motor, but for turbo cars, I definitely suggest -16. So you just add this guy here into the filler. Let me get up and not look too cool. And then while adding this, the next thing is just the distilled water. And then we'll start some heat cycles. About 3 heat cycles. So if you don't know what a heat cycle is, you know, fortunately for me, I have an AEM CD7, so I let it get to about 160 and I shut it off. And I do that 3 times, so we can just try to get all the air out of the lines, because the radiator's in the back of the car. So yeah, I'll fill this up with some distilled water that I got here, and that's it. We'll fire it up. I gotta end this vlog. It's gonna be a long one. We just had so much going on yesterday, man. You know, me and 40 prepped the parts to get painted for Oren, and then, you know, ran over to the body shop, dropped that off. What else did we do? The motor came in. We were about to start Oren's motor because we had the parts in. This motor came in. We stopped everything. We ran over there, picked up the motor, came back, put it in, fired it up on Gunner Tuesday, and we're at this point right now. But this should be an exciting video, man. I hope you guys are enjoying the channel. If you are enjoying the channel, man, it doesn't hurt to just drop a comment and just let me know how you guys feel about it, man. You know what I mean? I appreciate all your support. So I got some of the burping out inside. Definitely needed a lot of water. So now I'm just gonna heat cycle it out here, and you guys are gonna hear it on. Let's kick ass. Right now it's at about 110 degrees. I let it get to about 160 with the water pump on, and then I shut it off and do the same cycle 3 times. So this is 1. We'll do it 2 more times to make sure we got all the air out. But it sounds great. It sounds healthy. I can't wait. Yeah, so right now it's at about 118. So I let it get to about 160, 150, and then I shut it off. That's a heat cycle. So we're just trying to take all the air out of the lines into the radiator. So yeah, now with the car off, but the water pump's still working. Now I'm still burping the system to take in a little bit more water and take the air out. So I let it do this for about, I'd say close to a minute. I let the car cool down to about 100 degrees, and then I do it all over again. I'm not gonna bore you with 2 more heat cycles. I'm gonna conclude this this video. And yeah, I'm just getting prepped for IFO. We're gonna go out there, we're gonna test some suspension parts that we've changed. We're gonna test how well the car can maneuver on M1. The entire problem with the nitro thing is it makes too much power within that 20 feet. And everyone is roasting the tire. So I am trying to figure out how to get the suspension correct with a slower fuel. And then when it's time to add the big boy, we add the big boy. So thank you. Thank you all for being here with me. I appreciate every one of you. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. Once we get to 20,000 subscribers, we're giving something away. I am not holding back off of that. So help me get there so we can give back to you guys, ultimately the viewers, the subscribers, and the supporters. So enjoy the rest of your day. It is currently Wednesday, and I should be at alignment tomorrow, tuning by Friday, Saturday. So the race is Sunday. Wish me luck. Wish me luck in the comments. Hold me down, man. I appreciate all of you. Keep gunning.